We'll see what's gonna happen. Time to open this. So I've already swabbed my nose. It was kind of embarrassing to actually record it, so I decided I'm not gonna do that. But I'm gonna show you guys. There's the actual test card. I've already swabbed my nose. I've already placed the clear liquid solution inside the tube. I don't know if you can see it. And I've already pinched the bottom of the actual test strip tube and moved it around. Okay, so there goes nothing. I will now place the cap back on, and I'll take the little tip off, and I'll place 3 drops just like the instruction on the tester part of the card, and we'll wait and see.